Hello, everyone. I hope you are all well. If you want to learn English better and speak fluently, then this video is for you because it contains many daily useful sentences that we use in everyday life. Practice these sentences, repeat them, and listen carefully. Now, let's start.
My name is Thomas. I am a teacher. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I make a cup of tea. I eat breakfast with my family. I check my phone for messages. I prepare my lesson for the day. I dress in a neat shirt and pants. I pack my bag for school. I say goodbye to my family. I leave home with a happy smile. I walk to the bus stop. The sun is shining today. I see children going to school. I greet them with a smile. Birds are singing on the trees. I feel happy and fresh. I meet my friend Mr. David. We talk about our day. The bus arrives on time. I take a seat near the window. I look outside and enjoy the view. I feel ready to teach my students. I reach the school at 8 a.m. I greet the principal politely. I see the students in the playground. They run and play happily. I feel excited to meet my class. I enter my classroom. I arrange the chairs and tables. I put my books on the desk. The students start coming in. I smile at each student. I say, "Good morning, everyone." They reply, "Good morning, sir." I start the lesson with a story. The students listen carefully. I ask simple questions. They answer with small sentences. I write new words on the board. I explain their meaning clearly. I give examples from daily life. The students repeat after me. I check their pronunciation. I clap when they do well. Learning makes them happy. Learning makes me happy too. Today we play a word game. Each student says one word. I make sentences from their words. They enjoy the game. I correct their mistakes gently. I encourage everyone to try. We laugh and have fun. Some students are shy. I ask them, "Can you try?" Slowly, they speak with confidence. I feel proud of my students. Comment below, which game do you like? We take a short break. Students drink water and eat snacks. They talk with friends. I sit quietly for a while. I drink my coffee slowly. I enjoy the fresh air. I watch the children playing. Some are running, some are reading. I feel calm and peaceful. I prepare for the next lesson. Break time is short but nice. Students come back happily. I teach writing today. I show them simple sentences. They copy the sentences in their notebooks. I check their handwriting. I explain slowly and clearly. Students ask questions. I answer them kindly. We practice every word together. I tell them, "Practice daily." They repeat my sentences again. I smile at their progress. Writing is fun when you try. I bring a short story. Students listen carefully. I read the story aloud. They follow the words. I ask simple questions about the story. They answer with small sentences. I correct gently when needed. I encourage everyone to read aloud. Slowly, they read confidently. I clap for their efforts. Reading improves their English. Reading is a key to knowledge. Today we draw pictures. Students love drawing. I tell them simple words. They draw according to the words. Some draw trees, some animals. I appreciate every drawing. They feel happy and proud. I write small words on their papers. They learn spelling while drawing. Art is a fun way to learn. I smile at their creativity. I teach them how to speak. I ask simple questions. Students answer slowly. I repeat correct sentences. They listen and learn. I tell them, speak English daily. Students practice with each other. They make small dialogues. I correct gently. Confidence grows every day. I feel happy seeing their progress. Speaking English is not hard. The school day ends at 3 p.m. Students pack their bags. I check everyone is ready. I say, see you tomorrow. They wave and smile. I leave the classroom slowly. I feel tired but happy. Teaching is my passion. I meet my friend outside. We talk about the day. I walk home with peace in my heart. Every day is a new learning. I reach home at 4 p.m. I drink tea and relax. I think about my students. I feel proud of their learning. I prepare notes for tomorrow. I read English books for myself. Learning never stops. I love my job very much. I hope you enjoy my story. Practice with me and improve your English. Every day, small steps make big progress.